My name is Bryan McGlynn with MarineMax here in Stuart, Florida. Today, I'm excited to take you guys through a new listing. We have a beautiful 2021 Jupiter 43-foot center console available for immediate delivery. Extremely turnkey, well-maintained, professionally watched over. Always lift kept, as you can see here in the video, no bottom paint. Cosmetically, this boat is in excellent condition. We have a painted light blue, ice blue hull side color. Super sharp, simple, really great looking, stainless steel rub rail, windlass anchor. Not a scratch to be found up and down either port or starboard side. All powered with the quad Yamaha 425 XTOs for amazing speed and performance. This boat will actually plane off on 3 engines as well. If you ever have an issue, it's a nice advantage to have. Another cool feature as you step on board here, we have a boarding door both from the starboard and the port side. Something really unique that Jupiter incorporated into their boat. We'll start here in the back of the boat again. Quad 425 Yamahas, only 150 hours on these. Maintained by a Yamaha dealer at all times. Joystick and bow thruster configured in. And then back here we have a large built-in transom seat with a tall backrest with the aquarium style window. The first thing you'll see is a very expansive cockpit, 2 big fish boxes, ample seating, so you have the aft seat with the rear-facing mezzanine seat as well. Storage underneath, and this does have the chiller plate upgrade. Down below deck, Jupiter keeps it really simple, extremely good fit and finish. So we do have the Seakeeper 6 with very low hours as well, and then a well-appointed bilge, which gives you access to your sea chest and all your sea cock valves. Looking forward, we have an oversized hardtop, color matched to the hull side as well. Rod storage up above, Gemlux outriggers. This boat has never been fished on. We do have the aft shade incorporated into those Gemlux outriggers as well. JL audio system. You can see all of our upholstery throughout the boat is in extremely good shape. All your combing bolsters. We do have a large boat cover for the boat as well. The boat cover goes around the entire console all the way up to the forward seat, and then covers for all the engines. We have Release Marine teak helm seats, super sharp looking, but also very comfortable to sit in, with armrests and footrests down below. We have the teak package, real teak package throughout the boat, so you'll see some teak accents as we go through. Standing here at the helm, this is one of my favorite parts about this boat. Super clean dash. You don't see any exposed switches or buttons. Up above, you have access to some of your systems. We have our Yamaha display, Garmin Autopilot, a couple Bocatech switches off to the right, VHF and JL audio head unit, and then we do have electronic switching here through the Garmins to control all of your major systems, 12-volt, Seakeeper, chart plotting, radar. It's pretty slick. That opens up, providing access to your joystick and your bow thruster. Electronic throttle and shift along with your Lenco trim tabs. And then a great frameless windshield, which gives you a great line of sight looking forward when you're operating this boat. We do have AC both here at the dash and down in the cabin. Moving up to the bow, you'll see again all of our upholstery is in nice shape. You're greeted with a really expansive, comfortable bow area. So this boat will fish hard, but it also entertains. So we have some nice seating up here with backrest. Again, the teak Release Marine helm seats is a nice touch. And then it also provides access directly up to your anchor locker, where you find your windlass anchor. Diamond stitched, incorporated into all the seats. and then a nice forward-facing lounger. Up above, we do have an open array radar, FLIR night camera, light bar. So this boat's well equipped with all the proper electronics. Stepping down inside the cabin, air-conditioned cabin, we have a nice area sleeping for two, head and shower inside that door, so very well thought out and spacious cabin area as well. Again, this is Bryan McGlynn with MarineMax here in Stuart, Florida. This is the 2021 43-foot Jupiter. Easy to see here at our marina. We'd love to get you on board or answer any of your questions. Please feel free to give me a call directly at 561-635-6811. Thank you very much.